Hey there guys, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about exit codes. So exit codes, put simply, answer the question how did it go? And by how did it go, I mean they tell us if the shell script finished successfully or if it encountered some problems and it didn't finish successfully. Okay, so let's look at some examples of this. So let's say I run the ls command and then I echo the special variable which we covered in the last tutorial, which is $? Okay, and then I press enter and I get 0. Okay, so the exit code is 0 and 0 means everything went okay. And now if I actually want to see another exit code, I have to make the ls command. And basically, just to give you context, this variable contains the exit code of the most recently executed command. And now if I wanted to get something other than 0, that means that the ls command has to fail. So what I can do is, for example, type in, first I type in lsl, let's say mambo.txt, and because mambo.txt doesn't exist, and then I type in the dollar, then I echo $? I get 2. Okay, and basically 2 indicates failure. And to find out what exactly went wrong, you can use the man pages. Okay, you can type in, for example, man ls, and there should be a section which says, let me just go back. Yeah, here you have it. So here you have it. Exit status, 0 if okay, 1 if minor problems, 2 if serious trouble. Okay, so basically on the man pages, you can find these exit status sections or exit value or diagnostic sections, which tell you how to interpret certain exit codes. Okay, so that's what happens. And again, as we saw in the previous tutorial, you can also echo this variable which contains the exit code. You can echo that in your shell script as well. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope it's been a fun experience watching. I hope you'll share, subscribe, like, comment, basically interact with the content in the most broad way possible. And I will see you in the next tutorial. Talk soon.